So you have different printing options in InCopy to print your document, and to access the printing options, that is to print your document, you go to File and then you go to Print. So once you go to Print, you can see right here that you can choose the printer of your choice. So in my computer, I don't have any physical printer attached, so I'm just going to choose Adobe PDF, and it'll generate a PDF file once it prints out the document. So now over here, just like as you're exporting out a PDF document, you can choose the layout right here. So right now you can see that there's the layout. So for this example, I'm just going to use the galley and story view. And just like in exporting PDF options, there are different options right here. So you can print the number of copies, you can choose the order, you can choose the paper size right here. So in my case, I'm just going to choose A4, and then I'm going to choose landscape as orientation. So once I do that over here, you can see that I can override the current galley settings, and I can choose a different font right over here, and it'll print out that font. I can also increase the font size right here, print the page information, story information. And over here, now what you can do is you can save the settings for future use, or you can set it up if there's any printer attached right here, and then attach the printing settings for this particular printers. But I'm not going to worry about that. So now over here, I'm just going to hit print, and let's see what happens. So it's printing the page, as you can see, and since I'm using a virtual printer, it is asking me to save a PDF file, and it is saving that out. And this is how it'll be printed, as you can see. So you got the paragraph, you got the overwritten text, which is quite large, as you can see right here, and it has been printed in landscape mode, and that's how everything has been arranged, just like that. So you can see that paragraph is wrong, and the red underline is also there. So that is how you can use the printer options and print your document from within Adobe InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.